that has slats in it. I've talked about slats before, just like on the wooden pupa sifter. It's got that all the way down. They're not using mesh in this design, and it works really well. So what happens here, let me step back. So we're here now in the machine. Those guys come this way, fall down, and then this is where the separating of sizes happens. And there's one outlet here. You can see that. There's an identical one on the other side, and then there's one on the end. And so 3 different outputs, 3 different sizes. And the way that it does that, the way that it separates those sizes through the metal grids, as well as the way that it separates the frass, these two, where my fingers are, these two rock back and forth. Okay, so this is solid. The cloth in the middle is solid, and the frass and those screens rock back and forth. You can see there's a motor right here connected to that, and then the bottom is connected. The size separator is connected via this bar. Once the machine is turned on and that is enabled, these 2 things move back and forth. The outer section, the frame, stays still, and then this center section, these 2 sections stay still. You can tighten the cloth by adjusting these guys. So you loosen everything, tighten or loosen the long bolt, and then tighten everything back up to secure it. They do need to be fairly tight. What I'm finding is that I have them as tight as I want it to go, because on the other side, these cloth pieces are moved via a very slow motor that uses a chain, and that chain is tight. I don't want to make these any tighter, which is why I took that brush off, and I'm just playing around with adjusting the brush instead of adjusting the canvas tightness anymore. But that's the machine.